How to get paid more for a project or retainer with this quick little trick. Most copywriters and any freelancer for that matter can increase their project earnings easily by 20 to 50% or even more by doing this one simple thing, offering two proposals instead of one. What do I mean? Well, before I tell you that, hello and welcome to the Copywriting Titan. I'm Svet, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing how you can get paid more for a project or retainer. And you would want to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing all that stuff. So, if you're a copywriter or any freelancer for that matter, you will find value in this video. So, let's get into it. So, let's say your prospect needs a landing page. Next to sending them an offer for a landing page, you can send them another offer for a landing page plus a few emails or ads. Why? Because they will need to run traffic to that landing page, right? So if they don't have any emails or ads already, they might take you up on that offer. And if not, well, no worries. They can take you up on the first offer, which is just for landing page, right? The good news about this strategy is that it can be done with any form of copy deliverable as long as you share something that complements the initial offer. So if we follow the example above, I wouldn't offer them two landing pages instead of one, but I would offer them probably ads, emails, social media posts, or a few different headline variations for the landing page. Of course, don't offer all four of them and don't send more than two proposals. The key here is to offer the thing that makes the most sense for the prospect and add that as a second option. So, for example, if you're writing a landing page for a lifestyle coach and she has lots of engaged followers on social media, let's say hundreds of thousands of social media followers, adding 5 scripts for Instagram Reels or TikTok videos might be a great idea. If she doesn't have a big following on social media, but she has a 2,000 subscriber email list, which can be a lot more powerful than 200,000 followers on Instagram, then a better idea would be to add emails to your initial proposal for a landing page. So the idea here is that you should tweak your offer based on the contexts. So obviously you need to do some more research before sending the proposal, but I will assume that you've already done that research because you've already been on a call with the prospect and they ask you, hey, can you send me a proposal? And instead of you sending one proposal, you can send, okay, I can do this landing page, let's say for $1,000. And then a second option could be, I can do that and also add 5 emails, which I usually charge, let's say 500 for, but you can get them as a package for 1350 or something. Or you can do the same with ads, you can do the same with social media posts or with different headlines. Maybe you can say, and if you grab that offer, I'm also going to add two more headline variations for the landing page. So they get for $1,350, they get 5 emails, 1 landing page, and 2 different headlines. So that's quite an offer, right? And it's just 350 more, and the chances that they're going to take it. So, yeah, that's why you should offer 2 options. Now, the question is, should you offer more than 2 options? Anything more than 2 is a no-go because the prospect may feel overwhelmed and choose not to work with you. But if you go with just one option, for example, just one landing page for $1,000, you might be missing out on 20 to 50% more from each project. As you can see, for example, let's do just this simple math. So if it's 1,000 for the landing page, then you have 1,350 for landing page plus emails plus 2 headline variations, you get 35% more, let's say more, or just this thing. So if you add just 3 emails or even 2 emails, it could be just $200 and it should be at least a 20% bump. So I would add something that's at least 35% more. For example, let's say they ask for 30 emails, and let's say I charge 100 or 300 per email. You can also add like list management and all different things. And actually, I'm going to cover that here. So yeah, 35% more. I'm going to put this in green so you can see it and center it. Okay. Okay, this tactic, as I said, can be applied to retainers as well. So let's say they need 30 emails per month. You can offer them 30 emails. Just 30 emails. Let's say you charge 5,000 for them because it's a package deal. But you can also offer them email list management, social media posts, or a landing page, depending on what they need those 30 emails for. Maybe they send those 30 emails, and obviously, if they're sending daily emails every month, they will be selling something. So you can offer, let's say this is 5,000, 30 emails, $5,000. And then you can say, okay, I can do 30 emails plus a landing page. And this could be just 5,500. But usually you just say that you charge, let's say 1,000. That's usually what you charge. So you're getting 10% more of the project fee every single month because of this. And obviously, you can add more stuff. If you add email list management, that's obviously more than 500. This could be like a couple of thousand. That's already 40% more in the project. So yeah, I'm just exactly exemplifying how you can win more stuff. And obviously, you don't need to do this immediately. You can send this later on when you've built that relationship. So what you offer depends a lot on the context and the relationship you have with the prospect, and coming up with such a new proposal is not always a super easy job. But if you have, for example, if you've been working with a client for a few months, you can easily add something. You will know what they are missing. And I'm giving example for copywriting, but you can be doing this as a designer or even a lawyer or whatever you're doing, a developer. You can add a little bit more and just charge them a little bit more, and you're getting more out of that relationship. Instead of chasing new clients, if you do that, let's say you have 3 clients that are paying you 5,000, that's 15,000 per month. And instead of chasing new clients, which is always risky, you can just add, let's say, $1,000 each worth of services to each client. That's 3,000 more per month. So yeah, that's quite good, right? So, and it's people that are already paying you will be much more prone to be paying you more than people who are not. Obviously, you need to be providing good results. All right, I already gave you some ideas you can apply immediately starting today. So if you want to nail these proposals, because obviously sending a proposal is different than just coming up with simple math. And in my new mentorship program, I can help you come up with such proposals, double your earnings per project, and even help you get rev share deals. The program is not for complete newbies, but if you're already making at least $1,000 per month, know that you can easily double, triple, or even quintuple that amount with a few simple tweaks. So if you're interested in this mentorship program, let me know by leaving a comment below, or you can check the link that I'm going to include in the video description. And this is Svet, the Copywriting Titan. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Go and make some more money starting today, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.